If you stood in the middle of a football field, you could point and say, that's the center. So somewhere out there in space, where is the center of the universe? Here's the twist. The universe doesn't have a center. Not because we haven't found it yet, but because the question itself doesn't work the way you think. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand the universe better than most adults do, using nothing but a balloon. First, let's understand why you'd expect a center at all. Think of a basketball. It has a middle point, the exact core of the ball. Every object you've ever touched has a center like that. But here's the trick. That only works because the basketball has an edge, and you're standing outside of it, looking in. With the universe, there's no outside. So forget the basketball. Let's grab that balloon instead. Imagine you draw dots all over it with a marker. Each dot is a galaxy. Now, blow up the balloon. Watch what happens to the dots. They all move apart from each other. Every single one. Now here's the big question. Which dot is at the center of that expansion? Pick any dot you like and ask it. Every single dot sees the exact same thing. All the other dots moving away from it. To every dot, it feels like it is the center of the expansion. Which means every dot is equally the center, and no dot is more special than the others. That's exactly how our universe works. Replace the dots with real galaxies, and replace the rubber balloon with space itself. Space is stretching, and every galaxy is moving away from every other galaxy. From Earth, we see every distant galaxy rushing away from us. It might look like we're in the center, but a scientist on a planet a billion light years away sees the exact same thing from their spot. Here's another way to picture it. Imagine raisin bread dough baking in an oven. As the dough rises, every raisin moves away from every other raisin, equally in every direction. No single raisin is the center of the bread. The dough itself is expanding everywhere, all at once. That's the universe. Space itself is the dough. And this also clears up a huge myth. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion that happened at one point in space. It happened everywhere, all at once, because space itself was being created. But wait, if there's no center, is there an edge? Think about the surface of a basketball again. Walk along it forever, and you'll never hit a wall. You'll just go in circles. Some scientists think our universe might work the same way, just in one extra dimension. Finite in size, but with no edge and no center you could ever find. So the universe isn't missing a center, it's something stranger and more beautiful. A place where every single point gets to feel like the middle of everything. So next time someone asks, where's the center of the universe? Tell them, grab a balloon, draw some dots, and blow it up. You'll explain it better than most textbooks do. Did the balloon trick make sense? Or did it blow your mind a little? Let me know in the comments, and tell me where you think you'd feel like the center. If this finally made sense, subscribe to Facts of the Universe. We break down the biggest cosmic mysteries into ideas anyone can understand. See you in the next one.